द क्वेश्चन इज डिसिप्लिन। ये क्वेश्चन भी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो डिसिप्लिन क्या है, डिराइव किया गया है फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड डिसिप्लिना से, जिसका मतलब होता है मैनेजमेंट, रूल्स, एजुकेशन प्रैक्टिसेस, टीचिंग एंड ट्रेंड कंडीशंस। डिसिप्लिन इज़ अ मोड ऑफ लाइफ इन अकॉर्डेंस विद सर्टेन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन। मतलब कि एक मोड है लाइफ का जो किसके अकॉर्डिंग होता है, रूल्स और रेगुलेशन के अकॉर्डिंग होता है। डिसिप्लिन इज गेन थ्रू ट्रेनिंग इन सेल्फ कंट्रोल एंड इट इम्प्लाइज अ गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ राइट कंडक्ट। अ नेशन इज नॉट बिल्ड बाय माउंटेन्स एंड ट्रीज, इट इज़ बिल्ड बाय कैरेक्टर ऑफ इट्स सिटीजन्स। तो डिसिप्लिन हमारा 3 तरीके का होता है, प्रिवेंटिव, करेक्टिव एंड सपोर्टिव। प्रिवेंटिव डिसिप्लिन में हम बात करते हैं कि इस्टेब्लिश करता है रूल्स, रेगुलेशन, एक्सपेक्टेशंस फॉर बिहेवियर्स, इसकी बात करेंगे। और करेक्टिव डिसिप्लिन में इट कम्स इनटू प्ले व्हेन अ स्टूडेंट हैज़ फेल्ड टू चेंज हिज और हर बिहेवियर आफ्टर रिपीटेड अटेम्प्ट्स टू सपोर्टिव डिसिप्लिन। इट मोस्टली रेफर्स टू द consequences डिलीवर्ड फॉलोइंग एन इन्फ्रैक्शन। और सपोर्टिव डिसिप्लिन क्या होता है, occurs in case of transgression. It is usually a verbal warning or a suggestion for the correction of behavior. Principles of maintaining discipline. Discipline should be based on love, trust and good. Discipline based on fear and doubt is quite temporary. Punishment should not be used. Creative ways should be used to teach. Good discipline should be based on cooperation. Children should be imparted knowledge about importance of discipline. Sufficient liberty and facility should be given. Academic discipline. The term academic discipline originates from Latin word discipulus. Discipulus means teaching and disciplina means discipulus मतलब pupil and disciplinia मतलब teaching. An academic discipline can be defined as a field or branch of knowledge that is taught or researched as part of higher education in universities. Branches of science are normally called as scientific discipline. Example में हम कह सकते हैं mathematics, physics, organic chemistry, etc. We have examples of many new disciplines from the parent discipline, like microbiology from the discipline of biology, biochemistry from the discipline of chemistry. Academic discipline is the subject that one teaches and researches as part of higher education is the academic discipline of that person. इम्पॉर्टेंस की बात करें तो एकेडमिक डिसिप्लिन जो होता है हैव अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटेड स्पेशलिस्ट नॉलेज रेफरिंग टू देयर ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिसर्च. Academic discipline have theories and concepts that can organize the accumulated specialist knowledge effectively. Use specific terminologies or specific languages adjusted to their research objects. Academic discipline is vast accumulation of knowledge in a specific area. Academic discipline helps to find new methods and technology in a particular discipline. Academic discipline helps to form new discipline as per need, like in education nowadays. Curriculum development, technology of education, educational sociology and etc. are emerged as new disciplines. Characteristics क्या होते हैं academic discipline के? A particular object of study. In history, for example, the object of study is human past. In biology, the object of study is living organism. In economics, the object of study is the management of resources. Second one is a set of questions asked of those object of study. The type of questions that a physicist asks of bone structure are different from those asked by a biologist. A set of methods used to answer those questions. A discipline has its own set of methods for answering particular questions. These range from quite practical things through to different notions of epistemological concepts such as proof and evidence. A tradition of answering those questions. In academic discipline, we are always standing on the shoulders of giants. For centuries, mankind has sought to answer some of big questions about the world, and we know more how about it than at any other time in the past. That is humbling, but also